look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Migo gang, you know, your boy Kev, back with another video. If you're new, my name is Kevin. I make videos on my 370Z Nismo 2012. If you guys didn't know, I'm also trying to make workout videos. So this channel is mostly about working out and about my car. So if you're interested in either of them, you already know, subscribe to your boy. Anyways, today it's a beautiful day outside in Tampa, and your boy's gonna do something to the Z. It's kind of hot, but it's been something I wanted to do. I ordered this like 2 weeks ago, and it came in like a couple days after I ordered it, so it's just been sitting in my room. But your boy's doing something to the wheels. If you know, you probably already know, but let me take a wild guess. I got the whole kit. I'm Plasi-Dipping my wheels a burnt copper. I think it's gonna look sick, especially with the Nismo wheels. If not, I can always peel it off, but it comes with everything you need. So it comes with the microfiber towel and something in the towel, you know. Comes in, it's a dip release, which I believe you put on your wheel so it doesn't stick to your wheel and it's easier to come off. That comes with a little spray bottle. This is to clean your wheels off. Is a pre-dip spray. So I'm gonna use this to clean off my wheel. Yeah. And then comes with 4 black Plasi-Dip because you need 1 per wheel. I believe it's 5 coats of this. First, it comes with 4 of these, and then the burnt copper one. That only comes in 3 because I believe you don't have to put that many. I'm gonna use, I think, about 3 or 4. I don't want it too bright. I want it kind of dark, so I might have to put a little more. But that's the burnt copper one. It comes with 3. So if you buy the whole kit on Amazon, about $64. Comes with everything that you need to Plasi-Dip your wheels. So if you want that, go on Amazon, and it's free shipping. Yeah, because I think I tried to buy it on Plasi-Dip.com, and they're charging shipping service on Amazon, and it was free, and it was like a couple $dollars cheaper. So smart shopper. Yeah, that's it. gonna happen. So I tried all of these. And they're just super tight. So So this is what I was talking about. You have this. You can't really turn it like this. You can, but then it gets hard. So now you have to turn it like this. Just added the last coat of black. So I'm gonna start doing the burnt Plasi-Dip, and let's see how many I put on. For the black I put five coats. The last coat I did go heavy, so this is the second layer. Thing is coming out super clean. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like it sparkles in the sun. Looks so good. I think I'm gonna add one more because this is like how I want them. Yeah, this second layer. Show you guys the next one. These wheels look so good. So good. I love how the wheels came out. 100% recommend the burnt copper on a white Nismo or any white car. So that's gonna be the video. I love how the wheels came out. They look great. I love them. Changed the complete look of the car. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe, comment, and just give it a thumbs up for these wheels. They came out so good. See you guys on my next video. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but you know, your boy stays lit. Peace out.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.